Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gadget Grasp. On today's tutorial, I'll guide you how you can trade the cards on the Monopoly Go. For that, you need to simply open the Monopoly Go applications, and after that, on the bottom of the screen you can see wins, bells, album and the friends option. To trade the cards in Monopoly Go, you need to tap on album. You can only get access to this album once you have unlocked the 15 levels or once you have won the 15 tournaments on the Monopoly Go. Here on the top left corner, you can see my level on Monopoly Go that it has reached on 19, which is above 15 levels. That means I can easily unlock the album option, and there I can see the album of stickers. So for upgrading your levels on Monopoly Go, you can simply play this game first. So now you need to tap on album, and now here you can see the albums of stickers here. So you can tap on any one of the albums of a sticker. Now you can see the spear of a sticker here. On here, if you see the double of the sticker, then on here you can be able to see the +1 button that also applies to all the packs in here. So tap on the sticker again, and for example, if you have double of this, then you'll be able to see the option to click on that specific number, and then you'll be able to see the option to select the friends, and on that you just need to select the friends that you want to send that sticker. So in this way you can easily trade the cards on the Monopoly Go. If you find this video useful, then hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.